All right, so everyone, now that we have completed the story process, we've added narration. Now, just for the sake of this video, you're going to see all of my activities in one PowerPoint slide. I would not normally do this depending on the type of activity that I want to give, or maybe I would just to check understanding. But there's several different ways you can do this. You can have one PowerPoint presentation that's only focused on the reading and audio so that students can go home with either the file or the link and be able to listen to it and read it at home. Or you can present it as a class and students can listen to it together first and then read it as a class. So that's completely up to you. The next part, though, is an activity. So you want an activity to reinforce understanding. And again, you want it to be fun and engaging and something either students can do within the classroom or they can do it at home. So this is connected to what we did yesterday. So we create an activity where students can decide, they can pick, and it's like a game. So let's go ahead and practice it. Reminder that when we are adding action buttons, we create our question, we create our icons for our options, and then of course when we want to link it to a specific yes or no slide or correct or incorrect slide, we go ahead and click on it, we click hyperlink, and then of course we connect it to the slide that we want within the document. So let's take a look at how we would view it. So from current slide, how did Gordon feel? Let's say the students say he felt happy. We know that this is not correct, so we want to try again. How did Gordon feel? Gordon actually felt hungry, and this is correct. So now we're going to go to the next question. Now, another thing that we can do connected to activity is we can answer, have the previous, choose the correct answer type of question connected to the context of the story. And then we can move into something like spelling. So we can ask the students to choose the correct spelling. We have hungry, hangry, and hengry. So let's say they choose the incorrect one. Just like the previous one, it would either go to correct or it would go to incorrect. So of course, if they chose the incorrect spelling, they would have to, of course, try again. Actually, it went to the wrong slide. So we want to make sure when we are creating our presentation that we have it on the correct slide. So again, we go into insert and we want hyperlink. So we want to take a hyperlink and we want it to go to slide number 7 and we click OK. Also, we want to make sure this is correct. And we want this to go to slide number 10, and we click OK. So let's go ahead and try that one more time. So we go back into slideshow from current slide. Let's say that they chose, oh, that's still wrong. So let's go out of that. So this is also another reason why we always want to double check and make sure that the presentation will be presented correctly, because we don't want to start the class and then it doesn't work correctly. So this is going to go to slide 9 because it's correct. And now let's try that one more time. Current slide, hungry, next, and now we have a new question. So if this, move the correct word to the complete sentence, and we know that this is hungry. So what we'll do is we're going to animate this in the next video so that this will move to the sentence area.